there, dear readers. Today, I'm excited to share with you all about Griha Pravesh, a traditional Hindu ceremony that's close to my heart. Recently, I had the opportunity to participate in this beautiful ritual as we moved into our new home, and it was an experience brimming with culture, spirituality, and a whole lot of emotions. Griha Pravesh is all about timing. We consulted a priest to find the perfect day and time for the ceremony, making sure it aligned with the Hindu calendar's auspicious dates. The anticipation was palpable. Before the big day, we gave our new home a thorough cleanse. It felt like we were not just cleaning the spaces, but also preparing them to welcome positive vibes and blessings. Vastu and Ganesh Puja. First things first, we paid homage to the Vastu deity, the protector of homes, and Lord Ganesh, the remover of obstacles. Their blessings are crucial for a happy, peaceful home. Kalash Puja, a beautifully adorned Kalash, a holy water vessel, took center stage at our doorstep, symbolizing abundance and prosperity. Stepping in, then came the moment of truth, entering our new abode with the Kalash in hand. This ritual felt like we were imprinting our energy into the very essence of the home. Homam, haven. The air filled with sacred chants and the fragrance of herbs as we performed the fire ritual. It's believed to purify the environment and bring divine grace. A big part of the ceremony was about sharing our happiness. We invited friends, family, and even fed local Brahmins, spreading joy and blessings. Thank you for joining me on this special journey. Here's to new beginnings and making a house a